Alright, so getting that seal in right there is a lot harder than what it looks like. All the other videos I've seen show that pretty easily, but getting it started wasn't too bad, but getting it all the way in is very difficult. So I've got maybe 1.5 inches left to go. The other end should show up here once I get it all the way in, and I've had to concoct some tools to be able to press on it here and press on it from the other side to keep it from breaking while trying to snake slide it in. Once I get that in there and flush, I can take care of the other piece and bolt it in per torque specs and all that jazz. And then the next thing I'm going to work on, I'm going to take the oil filter out and work on getting that oil filter adapter out of there, which is that thing right there, which you can't see in this video. That's what the oil filter connects into. I got to get that cap off that you see to the left and replace all the seals in that, because it's leaking down the oil filter onto the starter, which sits right here and connects up right there. So that's what it all looks like. There's the camshaft all the way to the front there. I took the oil pickup tube out, which goes here, and yeah, a lot of work under here. This was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be based on the videos that I saw.